Nvidia's revenue reached another record of about $44 billion in the fiscal first quarter that ended in April. Their forecast was actually really good. That's a big reason why you're seeing the stock respond so strongly. One thing that stood out for Nvidia this quarter is the company was actually very explicit, saying that it really doesn't have a lot of options right now to sell into China. Nvidia designed this chip called the H20 for the Chinese market that it thought would comply with current US export controls at the time. And then they were told last month that they would need a license still from the government to sell that chip, which effectively meant a ban on it. Without that chip, Nvidia doesn't really have a lot to sell in terms of AI chips into China.
With half of the world's AI researchers based there, the platform that wins China is positioned to lead globally.
Fortunately for Nvidia, everything else is going really well. Demand on its home soil in the US is really strong. The big tech companies of the US, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, are still spending a lot. They're expected to spend about $345 billion in capital spending this year, which is up more than 40% from the record amount they spent last year. Nvidia is also involved in these new deals that it refers to as sovereign AI, which is where you have whole countries that are investing at the country level in AI infrastructure. The company recently signed some big deals in Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, and there's always the potential that the rules around China could change and they could start selling into that market some sort of modified chip. And so at this moment, that would be upside from what they are currently projecting if they are able to do that.